Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today we're going to make peppermint bark. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 8 standard candy canes, or about 3 ounces, 12 ounces of semi-sweet baker's chocolate, 12 ounces of white baker's chocolate, and a half teaspoon of peppermint extract. We'll start by filling a medium saucepan about a third of the way full with water. Then, we'll bring our water to a simmer over medium-low heat. While we're waiting on our water to simmer, we'll go ahead and chop our chocolate, trying to get our pieces as uniform in size as possible to ensure even melting. Cleaning our work surface between each type so we don't accidentally mix our chocolates together. After chopping our chocolate, we'll transfer it to a heat-safe bowl. Once we've brought our water to a simmer, we'll start to melt our chocolate. We'll set our bowl over our simmering water, ensuring the bowl and the water do not touch. We'll then allow our chocolate to melt, stirring more frequently until it's fully melted, about 10 minutes. During the last minute, when most of our chocolate is melted, we'll stir in our half teaspoon of peppermint extract. After incorporating our extract, we'll pour our melted chocolate into a quarter sheet pan prepared with wax paper and smooth it with an offset spatula. After smoothing out our first chocolate layer, we'll allow it to chill in the refrigerator until mostly set, about 20 minutes. While we're waiting on our semi-sweet chocolate to set, we'll crush our candy canes, or 3 ounces of peppermint candy. For this, I'm going to use a freezer bag and the flat side of a meat mallet. We'll set these aside and then melt our white chocolate, using the same method as before, stirring more frequently as the chocolate begins to melt. Once our white chocolate is finished melting, we'll remove our first layer of chocolate from the refrigerator and use an offset spatula to smooth our white chocolate over our semi-sweet chocolate. While the white chocolate is still hot, we'll sprinkle our crushed peppermint over the white chocolate. Then we'll allow our peppermint bark to chill in the refrigerator for at least an hour. After an hour, we'll allow it to come up to room temperature before lifting it out of our pan, separating our wax paper, and breaking it apart with our hands. Our peppermint bark will keep for about 2 weeks at room temperature. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.